Hello everyone, I just wanted to show you the project I've been working on, or like the experiment that I've been working on, and I tried to turn ESP32 into a drone. And although it turned out pretty good, so the drone actually looks really good, unfortunately it doesn't fly. The drone is unable to stabilize itself, so it cannot fly. Let me just show you like that. Yes, as you can see, the drone tilts on the one side and it's unable to actually correct its mistakes. I don't know what the problem is, probably something in a code, maybe some configurations are wrong, or maybe the drone is just too DIY to actually works. So yeah, unfortunately it doesn't fly. It tried to correct itself correctly though, because if you see, if I tilt it like this, you see that these two motors start spinning the first, and if I increase the throttle they will start spinning much faster. So, and this goes for every single direction, as you can see. Yes, so this is a good point. So the drone is actually correctly like determines in which direction he's tilted or angled, and tries to correct itself, but this correction is apparently too weak or too slow in the real flight. So yeah, unfortunately it doesn't work as intended. So to build a drone I use, like I said, ESP32 board. Then I glue this 3D printed like frame onto it. Then this right here is a gyroscope module, so the drone can detect in which like way he's angled. Then right here, down here, is a small boost converter, because the battery provides 3.7 volts and we need 5 volts for ESP32. Then those four are electronic speed controllers for the motors, and that's all. Down here is a battery, and yeah, I bought all of these things from AliExpress. Only thing that I didn't have to bought was propellers, and the battery I took it from the old RC drone that I had at home. And also I forgot, on the drone there are 3 capacitors, 2 right here, and 1 is soldered directly to the power pins of ESP32, and they are on the drone to smooth like the voltage and the power, because there's probably a lot of voltage spikes or like interference noise in the system. So I try to smooth out it by using the capacitors. So yeah, the drone, to make the drone is actually really cheap, but yeah, like I said, unfortunately it's unable to fly. And yeah, I at least learned a lot about drones, how they're put together, how they works, and it would be really cool if these things would actually fly. But yeah, like I said, unfortunately it does not fly. So yeah, but I'll try to fix it. If I succeed, of course I will show you the result. But even if this drone would never fly, I still have some prepare for it, so I have the idea in mind how to use the drone to one project, and I hope you will find it interesting, and that you find interesting this concept of DIY drone that I made. So yeah, sorry guys to disappoint. Like I said, I really wish that this drone would fly, but I'll try to fix it, and let's hope for the best. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.